let's just start with a hard truth. You are currently losing thousands of dollars in productivity because you're using AI the wrong way. And the craziest part, most people have absolutely no idea it's even happening. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact wiki method from Andrej Karpathy, Tesla's former head of AI, to literally 10x Claude's intelligence. And get this, we're going to learn how to run this whole thing for $0. And hey, you're going to want to stick around because at the very end, I'll reveal the 0.001% expert prompt that makes this entire system work. You don't want to miss it. All right, first things first, we have to talk about a huge problem that almost everyone is falling into right now. I call it the rented AI trap. So what even is Cloud AI? Well, it's pretty simple. It's just AI that's hosted on someone else's server, like Google's or Amazon's. The idea is you don't need a supercomputer in your office. You just rent access to theirs. And this right here creates a choice. On one side, you've got rented AI. You're paying monthly fees, you have limited control, and your data is sitting on their servers. But on the other side, you have the alternative. We're talking zero cost, full control, and your data stays private, right there on your own machine. Tell me if this sounds familiar. That feeling of subscription fatigue, right? You're paying $20 here, $30 there, and there's that nagging fear in the back of your mind that you're somehow being left behind by this massive AI gap. Trust me, you are not alone. But look, there is a way out of this trap, and that brings us to Claude Code Mastery. This is where you finally take back control by building your very own personal AI environment. And you know what? It's surprisingly simple to set up. Okay, first, you're going to install Node.js. Think of it as the engine that makes this whole thing run. Second, grab Visual Studio Code. It's a totally free and super powerful code editor from Microsoft. Inside VS Code, you'll find and install the Claude Code extension. And the final step? You just authorize your Claude account. That's literally it. Okay, now for the really fun part. Let's dive into 3 instant win hacks that you can start using right away. Seriously, this is where the real power kicks in. So let's tackle the first big question on everyone's mind. How in the world do you run these incredible tools without getting slammed with hundreds of dollars in API fees? The answer is a really clever tool called Open Router. Basically, it's a gateway that lets you connect Claude Code to all sorts of different AI models. And yes, that includes some incredibly capable ones that are 100% free to use. And getting this set up is super quick. All you do is create a little file called settings.json. Don't worry, it's just a simple text file that gives Claude its instructions. Then you hop over to the Open Router website, get your free API key, pick a free model, and just paste them into that file. Boom, that's it. You've just unlocked free, powerful AI. All right, hack number 2. Let me ask you this. Is it really possible to build a complete interactive data dashboard in just 3 minutes? The answer is yes. Absolutely. You can literally take a raw data file, let's say a simple spreadsheet with sales data, and just drop it into Claude Code and ask it to build a dashboard. It will generate a complete HTML file with interactive charts and filters all ready to go. Instantly. It's kind of nuts. Now for the third and maybe the most revolutionary hack of them all. Again, from Andrej Karpathy. It's called the LLM Wiki Method. The core idea is just brilliant. You use Claude to take all your scattered files, meeting transcripts, PDFs, articles, and turn them into a structured, personal knowledge base. Essentially, your own second brain. The efficiency here is just incredible. Instead of messy chats, your knowledge actually compounds over time, like interest. I mean, one user converted 300 files into a personal wiki, and their token usage dropped by 95%. And you want to know the best part? No complex database is needed. It's just a simple folder with text files. So you've got the skills. But how do you turn this all into real-world value? Into money? Well, let's talk about the one-person AI business. And listen, people are already doing this. Take a creator like Ishan Sharma. He automates his entire content pipeline from scripts all the way to infographics. Or look at someone creating professional motion graphics for faceless YouTube channels, a market where a single channel can pull in over $200,000. And that brings us to the big secret I promised you at the very beginning, the one thing that ties all of this together. We're finally here, the 0.001% expert prompt. So what is it? What is the one single prompt that can create that perfect dashboard? or build a complex app, or organize your entire knowledge base? The answer is almost beautifully simple. You don't write the perfect prompt yourself. You ask the AI to do it for you. You just tell it you have to behave like the best expert in the top 0.001% who knows how to write a prompt, and then you tell it what you want. It's the ultimate meta hack. You use the AI to command the AI. So there you have it. You now have the full playbook to escape that rented AI trap and build your own powerful, cost-free systems. The only question left is, what are you going to build? And hey, one last thing. If you want my personal AI cheat sheet to help you and your team automate your work, just drop the word cheat sheet in the comments below.